Hello everyone, and welcome to Courtney's Fun Fact Corner. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite animals in the whole world, which is snails. So to get started, I'm going to ask you guys a question, and I want you to think about the answer before I give it to you. The question this week is, how many teeth do you think snails have? I'm going to give you guys a moment, think of a number, and hold it in your head. So the answer is that snails generally have about 14,000 teeth. Snails in general can have between 1,000 and 15,000 teeth, but the snails that are commonly found in backyards have about 14,000 teeth, and they're called microteeth. They actually grow in rows like a shark's teeth would. So a row of new teeth will grow in the back of the mouth and push out rows of old teeth in the front. And a snail's tooth is actually thinner than the size of a human hair. So if you get bitten by a snail, it's actually not going to do a lot of damage unless you're a blade of grass. So snails, it's said that if you look at a snail's teeth underneath a microscope, it actually looks like Velcro. And they're actually hooked to help them hook onto whatever they're eating. So if you can imagine just 14,000 rows of Velcro, that's what the inside of a snail's mouth looks like. So snails can actually sleep for up to 3 years if the environment they're in isn't suited for them. So if it's too hot or dry, they can actually burrow underground and into their shells, and they surround themselves in a bubble of mucus. And they can stay like that in hibernation for up to 3 years. And that process is called estivation. The largest snail that we have on our planet is called the African land snail, the giant African land snail, and they can actually grow up to a foot long. So if you can imagine a foot, and they can be up to 2 pounds. So they're pretty big for a snail. And finally, most snails live up to 5 years in the wild, but a snail in captivity can live up to 25 years, which is a pretty long time. Okay, thanks for coming guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye!